60-second slime challenge. Yay! And the slime that we are going to make is fluffy slime.
And then it breaks.
And so yeah,
let's get started. Okay.
Woo!
We got my iPod here to set the timer on. We got some food coloring, one thing of paint, our glue, shaving cream of course, and we got our bowls and pencil to mix with, some lotion just in case, and did I say borax already? And borax. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna have Siri say it, okay? Okay. I can't open the lid. Can we not never want to stay on it?
No.
Oh. Okay, ready? Siri, set a 60-second timer.
Roger that. T-minus 1 minute and counting.
Thank you, Siri. Even though you can't even hear me. Okay, my voice just went everywhere. Come. 50 seconds. Okay, that was a lot of good. Shaving cream gel?
Yep.
30 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna have a lot of glitter in it. I'm scared I'm not gonna make it. Hey,
And we failed.
okay, I want to add like 15 seconds.
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna add 15 more seconds. Siri, set a 15-second timer.
Sorry, something's wrong. Can you try that again?
Siri, set a 50. Oh, what is it? Siri, set a 15-second timer.
Roger that. T-minus 15 seconds and counting.
Thank you. Wow, this is some bad slime. Wow, we suck at this. Okay,
I think I added too much borax.
I think I underboard and add a little bit too much shaving cream.
I was in a hurry.
I was not. I was taking my time. And I realized we only had like 5 seconds left, and then we started hurrying. Mine is green, fluffy, and sparkly. Oh, yeah, mine is way under borax.
Mine is way over boraxed.
Look at this. It's like a sticky mess.
Now, time to fix it.
Are we switching slimes?
Sure.
We got a little situation here. Oh, I can't use the paper towel. Where's the paper towel at? Hurry, hurry. Oh, poop.
Yeah, I know.
Are you stupid?
I thought we were gonna switch slime.
Yeah. Let me get this off.
But you can't pause it.
You can't?
Apparently not.
Okay. I guess it's ready then. Okay. Now we have 30, now that we made our slime, we have 30 seconds to make it bad.
Bad. What?
I don't know. I'll just say it.
I thought we were gonna switch them and fix them.
I know, but I failed. Okay. Ready?
I didn't fail though.
Set a 5-second timer.
Your timer is set for 5 seconds.
More borax. Okay. Let's switch slimes. Here, let me show you guys mine. I think it's a little imperfect, but oh well. Okay, this is really bad slime. Here, let me show you my slime. Look
Oh,
at it.
mine's really crackly.
Mine's really good. See it? And then it stretches amazingly.
Mine stretches like this.
And look, it goes right back together. Okay. Now we have 1 minute to make it better. Oh, yours isn't that bad.
Whoa, yours is like all whoa.
Okay.
Yours is stupid.
Set a 1 minute timer.
Roger that. T minus 1 minute counting.
I feel like you're really good at this.
No.
I only have 40 seconds. I want this glue mitten. Now that you like play with it, it's not that bad a slime. Like, to be honest. It's really soft now. Not really good. This. Reminds me of great.
Yours is not.
Pooh! Hands down. Okay. Okay, now let's do some ASMR of our slime. Our amazing slime. Okay. Mine's pretty stretchy. Joe, mine's pretty stretchy. Like, it stretches and it's super crackly. But how's yours? Amazing, right? Okay. Comment down below who you think got won. Okay, I'll show you my slime. Because my slime's amazing. And comment down below what you think what we should do next.
Well, you may have a teensy bit of pink in your slime.
Oh, well. I think I have a teensy bit of green in your slime. Okay, it stretches like a god. See, it looks amazing. And then crackalakas. Amazing, right? This video took 8 minutes. Okay, there goes the lotion in our table. And Joe, how about you show them your slime?
Okay, so this slime could go to the Olympics for stretching. And it does not crackle.
Unlike mine.
And
Yeah.
so thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Comment down below who you think won.
And this was a fail.
Fail. Bye.